Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money online easily. Making money online has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. There are so many opportunities available, regardless of your skill set or experience level. Here are some simple ways to make money online. 1. Online surveys. Participating in online surveys is an easy and quick way to make some extra cash. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions and feedback, and by taking surveys, you can provide them with valuable information while earning some money in return. 2. Freelancing. If you have a specific skill set, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer on websites such as Upwork or Fiverr. You can set your own rates and work on your own schedule. 3. Selling products online. E-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy make it easy for you to sell products online. Whether you make your own products or sell products you've purchased wholesale, you can reach a global audience and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. 4. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or social media following, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting other people's products. You earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. 5. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a certain subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor and help others while earning money. These are just a few examples of the many ways you can make money online. The important thing is to find something that you're passionate about and that fits with your skills and schedule. So, give it a try and start earning some extra cash today.